So the first part of our design series is choosing a theme for your product line collection. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure to click the link below. You will get access to the free training that teaches you all of the things that you need to know about a product line collection. So I create planner stickers for planners, and I wanted to choose a theme that kind of fit the season that we're in now. College students are heading back to college, and they're looking for things to put in their planner, and they're looking for cute things to put in their planner. So last year what I did was put out a gorgeous 10-piece product line called the Honor Roll collection, and I want to kind of do the same thing but more updated because some of the colors that I used back then aren't as popular now. So we're going to update the collection, and I think just 2 things from that collection are going to stay the same. The rest of it's going to be brand new items. So super excited to dive into this collection with you so that you can see this design process. So if you don't want to miss a single part of this, make sure to like and subscribe and click the link below so that you can know exactly what I'm talking about with the free training. I'm so excited to go through all of this with you, and I can't wait. The fart, the first part. Oh my goodness. Okay.